back is made up of tendons, ligaments, muscles, and bones. So, disruption in any of these can lead to back pain. And if you ignore the early stages of your back pain, then in the long run, it might cause you a lot of problem, which can include surgery or spending a lot of money to get cured. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well, especially in this pandemic where cases are rising every day. So please take care of yourself and also wear your mask because that is the need currently. And today's video is about 5 exercises or yoga poses that are going to help you get rid or reduce your back pain. Okay guys, so whatever exercises I'll be talking, you can practice them for 30 seconds or up to 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. And if you wish to practice them for much longer time, it's completely up to you. But make sure that you at least practice them for 30 seconds to get good results. And yeah, and I think 30 seconds is not much time, right? In your 24 hours. So these are very simple, very easy exercises, and I hope you all will enjoy them and get good results. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do so because I post content every week. So if you don't want to miss any content from my side, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. First, let us understand what are the causes of back pain. So there could be number one cause that if you're sitting in same posture for much long time. As we know that everyone, like most of us, are working from home. So sitting in one place or sitting in one posture for much longer time can cause back pain. Also, if you're lifting heavy weights without any guidance, then that can cause ache in your back. Also, osteoporosis, जिसमें आपके बोन्स हो जो आपके बैक के बोन्स होते हैं दे बिकम ब्रिटल मतलब दे लूज देयर डेंसिटी एंड ऑल्सो आर्थराइटिस एंड स्लिप डिस्क ऑल्सो डिजनरेशन ऑफ बोन्स. तो ये सारे प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं जिसकी वजह से आपको बैक पेन का प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है. Also, if you're overweight, that can lead to back pain as well. And in some studies, it is found that smoking can also lead to back pain. अगर आपको बैक पेन नहीं चाहिए, so make sure that you avoid doing all these things. But if you can't avoid doing them, then you have to practice certain yoga poses. And here I'm here to help you with those yoga poses.
Lie facing on the ground. Then bend your one leg, hold it with your hand and do with your other leg. Once you have done that, lift up the anterior and the posterior part of your body together. Hold it for 30 seconds or more than that. You will feel a gentle stretch in your back, and this is what you need. After doing this pose, go and rest in the child's pose. For the second pose, bend on your knees with your hands touching the ground. Then inhale, look upwards and your butt pointing outwards. Then you exhale with your butt inwards and your back making an arch, and your head looking towards your navel. For the third pose, you have to lie facing the ground flat and then slowly lift the upper part of your body as much as you can and look straight up towards the ceiling. Hold on in this posture for 30 seconds to 1 minute till you feel the stretch in your back. This is a great exercise for back pain. And then go into child's pose. For the next pose, lie flat on the ground with your back facing the ground. Bend your both the legs and then lift up your back. Only your back, that is your butt, and your back should be raised. You will feel the stretch in your lower back as well as in your glutes. This exercise is very important if you are working on your glutes. So do give it a try. The last one is not an exercise but to improve your posture. So do not droop your shoulders down, rather sit straight with your shoulders erect and spine straight.
So these were some yoga poses that I personally find effective and beneficial, and they are not even much time consuming. So if you are going to practice them, do share your results in the comments so that it can motivate others as well. And I think spending a fortune on a doctor taking care of your back in the early stage is important. So do give them a try. Also, if you like the video, please give it a like and don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I post content on Instagram as well. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and I'll see you guys very soon.